Here we go. Ready? Oh, who's better than me? Yeah. Finally, I'm back on track, buddy. Tough day yesterday, but that's alright. I hogged it out, tore it out, fixed it, and put a new one in. Now, you can see that I'm back to square one again. This is a piece of MDF, obviously, that acts as a guide for the little Bosch Colt. And what it does, it just acts as a fence, so I can just bring my router down the side, on both sides of it. That way I don't have to really worry about a fence too much. This is the fence. So I just keep the router pressed up against the MDF tight, and I run my groove. Now I have to take this piece of MDF and put it on the top and run the same groove on the left and the right, okay? And then from there, basically what I want to do is I want to set these center petitions right here. These petitions kind of lay out the rest of the pigeonhole assembly. So these ones have to be in first. So I'm going to show you how I route these out, and then I'm going to take the same wood, since I made a couple. Since this is my second or third doubler, I have plenty of half-inch stock that I can use to make these two friggin' petitions. So I'm going to flip the case over and show you how I run these dados. Alright, buddy? Alright. Nice hole shot, huh, Dave? Now I ran the dados and I set these petitions. I ran a dado through it, and now I have a bead on the front of this, and this is where the big box is going to go that gets the door and all those drawers. Now the next step, you see I get the bottom in. The next step I need to do is draw the corresponding pattern that goes with this. Like I said, and then once I get the pattern, I need to run a couple of dados in through here, you know, top and bottom here and there. So this is what it looks like. Okay, this line here is the pattern of the base molding, okay? And you see the inside line? That's the line of the drawer, and this outside line, excuse me, is the line of the little divider. So I need to cut to this line, and then make a piece that goes in here. It's going to be like 3/16 of an inch. It's basically going to kind of look like something like this, and it's going to slide in here, like so. You know what I'm saying? This one doesn't fit because it's the wrong pattern. So that's what I'm going to get to doing, alright, buddy? Yeah, baby. Well, that's 4 of them. I'm gonna run these 2 now, and I'm gonna run these ones over here.